please.
I invite you to ask your question, despite the fact that for English-speaking Africans, we had a separate session just before I came over to this place. And you perhaps either were not informed or you missed it. But now for once I'll give you permission to ask a question.
Okay.
Please.
Please, I am Ahmed Ismail from Ghana, and I would like to know from Islamic point of view if smoking is a sin or not.
I have repeatedly answered this question. Smoking is not forbidden religiously. From the religious point of view, smoking is not forbidden. According to Hazrat Muslim, no one has a right, however may he dislike a thing, to declare something forbidden which is neither forbidden in the Quran nor forbidden by Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So smoking does not fall into that category at all, but it falls into the category of things which are injurious for health. So common sense should be used, and one should try to abstain from everything which is harmful. But those who have become addict, who cannot leave it entirely, you can't say they are criminals in the sight of Allah. They are only harming themselves. Right?
Yes, please. Thank you very much.
You know, I know the background of your question. I know in African countries there are many people who smoke and also drink, and somehow this is connected, and also indulge in other vices. So to stop this, some Ahmadi missionaries in the beginning overemphasized their forbidding smoking, because they knew if they permitted smoking, they would also indulge in other bad things. But still, you must remember, from religious point of view, slow smoking is not forbidden. It should be discouraged as bad habit.
Okay, thank you very much.